Good afternoon, my dear students. I am fine and I hope that all of you will be fine. In our previous class, we discussed about common factors and prime factorization. Today, we will learn about how to write highest common factor or HCF of given numbers. We will see with the help of an example how to write the HCF of two or more numbers. To write HCF of two or more numbers, first of all we write the factors of the given numbers, then we write common factors among them, and then we select the highest common factor, and that will be the HCF of the given numbers. See with the help of an example. Example is find HCF of 4 and 6. We have to find the HCF of 4 and 6. Highest common factor in short form is written as HCF. So we have to find the HCF of 4 and 6. See the solution. First of all, we write factors of 4 and factors of 6. So we write here factors of 4. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. In rough we can do 1 into 4, 4, 2 into 2, 4, no other number by which 4 is going to be divided. So our factors are here 1, 2 and 4. So here we can write the factors of 4, 1, 2 and 4. Now we write factors of 6. Factors of 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6. You can write for 6 1 into 6 which is equal to 6, then 2 into 3 which is equal to 6. Now from these two we write common factors. So common factors of 4 and 6 are 1 and 2. You are seeing 1 is here, 1 is here, 2 is here, 2 is here. No other factor among these two factors are common. So 1 and 2 are common among these highest common factor. We write the highest common factor, that will be a small here, the highest common factor among these factors is 2. Thus, HCF of 4 and 6 is 2. This is the answer. I hope you understood how to write HCF of a number by writing factors of the number. This is one of the methods to find the HCF of the number. As we have read prime factorization, so in our next class we will read how to find HCF by prime factorization method. So this is the method we say highest common methods. In this method we write the factors of the given numbers. Among factors we select the common factors, and among common factors we write the highest factor which is common in the given numbers, and that is the HCF of the given numbers. Take another example. Find HCF of 15 and 45. HCF of 15 and 45. We write factors of 15. So here in graph we write 1 into 15. 15 by 2 is not divisible. 3 to 5. 15. No other number is there by which it is divisible. So factors of 15 will be 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now we write factors of 45. So we have number 1 into 45, which is 45 by 3 is not here, so by 3 into 15, 45 by 4 not here, by 5 into 9, 45. Then no other factors of 45 we have, so we write here factors of 45, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. So these are the factors of 15 and these are the factors of 45. Now common factors of 15 and 45. 15 and 45 are. What are the common factors? From here we can write 1, 3, 5 and 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15 are common factors. Among these, the highest common factor is 15. Therefore, HCF of 15 and 45 is 15 answer. Once more I am telling, when we have to find HCF of 15 and 45, we write factors of 15, we write factors of 45, we write the common factors of 15 and 45, and among these common factors we are seeing 15 is the highest common factor. So the HCF of, here we write 15 and 45 is 15 answer. Like this you can solve questions of exercise 8.9. Now I am going to tell you properties of HCF. I am getting this one. Listen to me, the properties of HCF. When we write the co-prime numbers, you know co-prime are numbers having only one common factor and that factor is 1 only. So HCF of co-prime numbers is 1. If we have two numbers or more numbers and we are finding the HCF, we observe that the HCF cannot be greater than the smallest among the number. It may be equal or less than the smallest number of the given numbers. For example, here we have written the HCF of 15 and 45. It is here 15. So we observed in this case 15 is the smallest number among these two. So HCF is equal to 15 or less than 15. In previous question when we wrote HCF between 4 and 6, we observed that HCF was 2. So 2 is in between, less than this one also. So you can say that the HCF of 2 or more numbers cannot be greater than any of them. Cannot be greater than any of them. HCF is less than 4 and 6, and here HCF is 15, which is equal to the smallest number of the given numbers. And the third property is, if one number is a factor of another number, then HCF is the smaller number itself. Here is the example. In these two, you observe that 15 is factor of 45, so 15 is the HCF of 15 and 45. These two numbers given to us, and is asking write the HCF of these two numbers. So we observe that 15 is one of the factor of 45. So 15 will be the HCF of 15 and 45. So you have to learn three properties of HCF. Now we will read LCM, lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. So here I am writing find, in short we write LCM. Lowest common multiple. So find LCM of 8 and 12. 8 and 12. In case of LCM, when we have to find LCM, we write multiples of the given number. We write multiples of the given number. Suppose we have to calculate LCM of the given numbers, so we write multiples of the given numbers. From multiples, we write the common multiples. And once we write the common multiples, we write the lowest common multiple among them, and that will be the LCM of the given numbers. For example, find LCM of 8 and 12. So we will write multiples of 8 and 12. So I am writing here multiples of 8. Simply we write the table of 8. 8 2 is 16, 3 is 24, 4 is 32, 5 is 40, 6 is 48, comma dash dash and dash. Now multiples of 12. Multiples of 12. 12. 2 is 24. 3 is 36. 4 is 48. 5 is 60. Dash, dash and dash. So these are the multiples of 8 and these are the multiples of 12. Among these we write common multiples. What we write? Common multiples. So we can write the common multiples. The common multiples of 8 and 12 are. What are the common multiples here? We observe 24 is here, 24 is here, 48 is here, 48 is here, and if we write further, we will get other common multiples also. 24, 48, and so on. Now, among these common multiples, the lowest common multiple or LCM of the lowest common multiple or LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. This is the required answer. Means how to write LCM of given numbers you understood. First of all, we write the multiples of the given numbers. We write the common multiples from the multiples, and among the multiples the lowest one is the LCM of the given numbers. I hope you understood how to write HCF and LCM of given numbers. So some properties of LCM we have to read, and these are: the LCM of two co-prime numbers is always their product. The LCM of two co-prime numbers is always their product, because there is, when we write the common multiples, we observe that their product will be the lowest common multiple. Then the LCM of two or more numbers cannot be less than any of them. In case of HCF, we observe that the HCF of two or more number will be equal to or less than of the smallest number given. But here LCM of the given numbers cannot be less than to any of the given number. It will be equal to or more than the greater number. For example, if you have to calculate LCM of 6 and 12, you will see that 12 is multiple of 6. So the LCM of these two will be 12. Because when we write the multiples, we write 6, 12, 18 and so on. And multiples of 12, 12, 24 and so on. We observe that 12 is the lowest common multiple between the multiples of 6 and 12. So you can say that the two numbers or three numbers whose LCM we are going to write will be the number which is greater than or equal to the bigger number. Okay. And third property is, if number is a factor of another number, then LCM is the greater number itself. Here you can also say, if we write factor of 6 and factor of 12, multiples, if a number is a factor of another number, then their LCM is greater number itself. Means 12, 6 is factor of 12, so 12 is the LCM between 6 and 12. Another example you have, if 4 and 16 given, then 4 is factor of 16, then LCM will be 16. Like this you can find the LCM of HCF of the given numbers. So your homework will be exercise 8.9 and 8.10. It is your homework that you have to solve. Thank you.